Poem English. Who am I? Again. Who am I? I ask this question, I answer it. Sometimes in the same way, sometimes differently. The answers come and go. Some of them sometimes stay. The question always. So I ask it again and answer it again. Today, who am I? I'm love. I exist for love. I live for love. I serve for love. I think for love. I talk for love. I listen for love. I speak for love. I work for love. I relate for love. I learn for love. I teach for love. I create for love. I earn for love. I spend for love. I invest for love. I yearn for love. I pine for love. I lust for love. I touch for love. I hug for love. I fuck for love. So don't ask me why I am so different from others. Why I want to fuck you so much more than others do. And why I so much make you want and make it impossible for you to leave me for others. It is because all I am is about love. It is almost so for others also. They are also about love. But then they are only also about love. I am only about love. I only am love. Only I am love. I am love only. Thank you.